Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapte. So good to have you here. And today, let me show you my 5-step quick morning skincare routine. I'll start with cleansing my skin. I'm using a gentle, low foaming cleanser from Bioderma. My skin is feeling a little bit more dry and sensitive today, so I chose this cleanser. It is very gentle and also it is quite moisturizing for a cleanser. And for the second step, I'd be using a thermal water just to soothe my skin. Also, tap water here is quite bad, so this thermal water helps. And then I'm using a milky toner. This works really good for hydrating, and again, it is quite soothing. Milky toners are perfect for winter, I have to tell you. This Bifida serum is for targeting fine lines. It also works on dull skin, dehydrated skin all in one. And this sunscreen from Cosrx I have been using recently, and this is quite lightweight yet moisturizing. And for today, just to make it quick, I skipped moisturizer and I'm done. I'm gonna just grab one lip balm and body lotion, and that's it. If you want more detailed routine, let me know. I'm gonna do it for you, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.